Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to bring you at Jewel Changi International Airport. So doon kasi guys, may itong Jewel dun to locate sa airport dito sa Singapore. So may iba-ibang lights tuwing gabi. So pag sa araw wala kang makikita, sin water lang. So we bring you to the night in the night time so you can watch, and then there is a light show also. So I will be sharing with you the light show also here. So here got a yellow color, got red, got orange, got purple, got blue. It's different colors, guys. This one is called the Vortex, the indoor waterfall here in Jewel Changi Airport. So ito na yung light show dito, guys. Just watch and enjoy. So, yan lang yung light show nila, guys. Dito sa Jewel Changi Airport. Yung sa Vortex. And then, ayan, I take video. Kasi makulit si Ate Wing, hindi ako nakapag-take na maayos. So, I just took picture. So, ayan. And then, ito si Ate Wing and Ate Angie. So, before kami umuwi, nag-take picture muna kami. So, ayan siya, guys. So, and then sa Christmas tree. So, ayan lang yung ating night gala guys sa Vortex dito sa Jewel Changi Airport. So, thank you for watching guys. Advance Merry Christmas. God bless you all. See you on the next video again guys.